All right, boys and girls, today we have daily September math, right? Day 3. Which digit is in the tens place? Remember, we go hundreds, tens, ones. So the digit in the tens place would be our 5, correct? Did you guys get 5? Okay. Write less than, greater than, or equal to. This side says 923. What is this side? Oh, it's 913, so it must be greater than, right? Oh, no. We have to add 10 to 913. So 13 plus 10 is 23, so this side is 923, right? Is that what you got? Yeah? Okay. Wait, 923 and 923. Well, it's not less than or greater than. They're the same. It's equal. Yeah. Boop, boop. Counting by 100s seems kind of scary, doesn't it? No. It's just counting by ones. So there's a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we just fill in the 26 for each one. 26, 26, 26, 26, 26, 26, 26, and 26. Now, is that better? Is that what you got? Yeah. All right. If you have 2 quarters, 3 dimes, and 4 pennies, how much money do you have? So, quarter. Okay? Dime. And penny. So how much are quarters? 25, yeah. So 25 plus 25. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 more makes 5. 3 dimes, if each one's worth 10, we go 10, 20, 30, right? So there's 10, 20, 30, and then 4 pennies is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 5 plus 3 is 8, so our answer should be 84 cents. Okay, Barney is coming to play with Molly this morning. Circle the time. The dog is Barney. The girl is Molly. Well, it says this morning. So just about in 45 minutes from when we're doing this would be 9 o'clock a.m. or p.m.? 9 o'clock a.m. All right, see how many you got right without any corrections. Put your answer in the box, however many you didn't have to correct. And then we'll flip it over to the very, very back. Day 3. Day 3. All right, boys and girls, and that is it for today.